Discover this rare home site in Hilton Head Plantation, featuring a 2,300 square foot recently renovated 3-bedroom single story. With $85,000 in recent renovations, including new plumbing, both bathrooms, kitchen appliances, water heater, AC unit, new driveway and rear patio, and a newer roof, this home is turnkey. The expansive open floor plan flows easily while connecting 3 bedrooms, a dining room, eat-in kitchen, den/office, laundry room, 2 baths, and a screened lanai. There's room for everyone. Features include a wood-burning fireplace and gas range. Enjoy outdoor space on the expansive patio and take in lagoon views on Dolphin Head Golf Course, along with easy access to the community bike/walking path. The property sits at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac on nearly an acre featuring lush, maintenance-free landscaping, ensuring privacy. There is plenty of room for a pool. This location offers ultimate convenience as you'll have quick access to all community amenities, such as the recently remodeled Dolphin Head Recreation Area, the Marina and Country Club, and Loggerhead Tavern. Don't let this value-packed opportunity slip away. This remarkable offer won't last, as this is priced for a quick sale. Seize the opportunity or you'll regret it later. To schedule a showing or inquire for more details, contact the David Dale team, powered by eXp Realty, at info@daviddale.com. Call 843-533-8125 or visit www.daviddale.com.